If you want to know some answers to this question, how do I bring more traffic to my website? Then you got to watch this video. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's get into it. What kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. In this video, I am going to tell you some methods to help you increase clicks and traffic to your website. Now, for a moment, I want you to imagine that you have a very good product or program, and you also have a good team that you work with, and you have a very good professional looking website. However, there is one obstacle. The traffic that you get to the website is not really in the volume that you want it to be, or perhaps you think there is a lot of room for improvement. To help you get more website traffic, I am going to give you some ideas and methods to help you gain more website clicks and traffic and increase your leads. Having a website is a good tool and useful way to host information, and is a good way to get your online small business to where you want it to be. Now, did you know that about 92% of first impressions are related to your site's design? If you have a slow loading website, this can lead to a loss in income. There is as much as $25 billion lost in revenue each year due to people leaving slow loading websites. Let me now give you some tips and ideas to help you increase your leads and get more website traffic. Let's start with tip 1, which is to create more high quality content that helps people or solves a problem for your target audience. Here is where you need to do your keyword research and find out the types of things that your audience is searching for online. You can also do keyword research to learn more about what your competitors are doing in the same niche as you are in. Now, you have many good options for keyword research tools. I would suggest to use something like Ubersuggest, the Google Keyword Planner. Ahrefs is a good option for more advanced keyword research. SEMrush is another good option for advanced keyword research and SEO. These keyword research tools can help you discover profitable keywords that your target audience is searching for online. When you have done some keyword research and you have some data about what your competitors are doing, and you have some keywords with good levels of search volume and low levels of competition, then you can go away and create some high quality content that is both interesting and engaging. The key is to create high quality content that can solve a problem or give your target audience some useful answers to existing problems that they have. You will need to make sure that the content is well structured and ideally includes some type of video format within the content, as this helps to engage with your audience better. I would suggest to create visual-based content in the form of infographics and videos that addresses the pain points of your target audience. A combination of both fun and educational material can work really well for a content mix. If you make more video-based content, then you can communicate your messages more easily with your target audience. Video content is also more engaging and gives you more options in terms of delivery of the content. I recommend to try and keep your content tight and keep it simple and to the point. Doing this will help your audience feel more respected and connected. It is a good idea to have a variety of content in your online marketing strategy. This can be in the form of long-form blog posts, which include high-quality graphics, case studies, product reviews, and any type of educational videos, which might be animation or sketch videos, and high-quality infographics. These types of content styles can help to draw more attention from your target audience. And if your content is very well researched and gives people high quality and valuable information that solves a problem or gives them advice about any pain points that they have, then there is a good chance that people will engage more with the content. There are some very good tools available to use to create and design content online. A good option for small business owners or freelancers is Canva, which is free to use. Canva is a great tool as it has lots of ready-to-go fill-in-the-blanks templates for every type of social media content that you would want to create. Let's talk about the next tip, and that is to ensure that if you have a website, that you keep it regularly updated with fresh, new, interesting content. This may seem obvious, but if you are running a website that has out-of-date content on it, this is a bit of a red flag to your audience. By consistently updating your website with fresh and up-to-date content helps you to keep things current and in trend, and it also gives people a good reason to keep coming back to your site. I would suggest to take the time and regularly update your website, and it is a good idea to always be looking for new opportunities to redesign the look and feel of your site. Let me tell you about tip 3, and this is to focus more on on-page SEO for search. SEO, which is search engine optimization, is the process of getting your site to rank higher in the search engines like Google for given keywords. If you work harder at your on-page SEO strategy and you do some good research in the most relevant keywords with low competition and high search volume for keyword phrases that your target audience would be searching for, and you optimize your written, visual, and video content based on these keywords, then there is a good chance that you can rank higher in Google and other search engines. If you optimize your on-page SEO correctly, your content can rank higher in search pages, and then more people can find your content through organic search on Google. By paying more attention to on-page SEO, which is the act of making changes to your site to get it more easily found in the search engines. Now, with on-page SEO, there are a lot of different things you can do. You can work on your meta descriptions and headers, and you can improve your URLs. If you want to know more about SEO, and learn how to rank a website higher in Google, then I recommend you go to our partner website and check out the SEO Masterclass online course. The link is in the description box below, so check it out. Let's talk about the next tip, which is to build a stronger community in your niche. Now, by getting a group of people who are interested in your business or brand can help drive more targeted traffic to your site. I want you to think of it like this. One person at a dance party is not very much fun, but if you add more people, and let's say you have 25 people at this dance party, it's now crowded and lots of fun. Your goal should be to build and create the right venue for the dance party to happen. You have quite a few options when it comes to creating an ideal venue for your target audience online. You can use social sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Within these social platforms, you can create some space for your target audience so that they can talk and interact directly with you, and they can ask you questions and you can help them out by giving them answers. For every one person that comes into your community, they can bring a lot more people in through social word of mouth, networking, and community engagement. Let me now give you another tip. And this is to work and focus more on building the engagement within the community, because this can increase your website traffic. By creating a community within your niche, using a social media platform such as Facebook is a very good place to start. But getting this community to engage with your content, this can really help drive more traffic and exposure to your website. A good practice to create the engagement within a community is to find a good balance of entertainment and education without using spammy or self-serving messages. This can really help you achieve more meaningful connection with your target audience. I would suggest to try and develop a simple strategy to talk to your audience and have a voice within the community on a regular basis. This could be done within a Facebook group, and you simply host a Facebook Live and interact and engage with your audience this way. Facebook Lives are a good way for business owners to really connect with members of their audience, and you can use Facebook Lives and other similar content marketing strategies to make your audience more aware of your business and brand. Doing this will help you build the know, like, and trust connection with your target audience and can drive more traffic to your website. Make sure you don't forget to check out the link down below to the SEO Masterclass online training course. This course will help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career with SEO, and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you'll need to create a profitable business from start to finish. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.